Hello and welcome back. Today we will create this animation in Blender. We will using geometry nodes. As always in this channel, we will make it easy and simple for all. So now let's get started. First, we select the cube and the light, right click, delete. Now go here in add, in mesh, we select Ico-Sphere. Go here in geometry nodes, hit new. We disconnect the input here. Now go here in add, in curve, in primitives, we select curve circle, connect to group output. Now we go here in add, in instance, we select instance on point, make it here. Duplicate the curve circle and connect it here. Now the radius, we will make it a little bigger like this, because we want the Ico-Sphere to be here in the middle. Now we want to give this rotation a random value. So I search here, it's here, random value, connected like this. Now we want this curve circle, we will make it in mesh. So Shift A and search curve to mesh. I connected here. Now select curve circle, duplicate and make it here. Don't worry if you see the circle bigger like this. In a radius, select it and give it 0.05. Now it's mesh. Now we want to scale these circles. So Shift A and search for scale instance, scale instance, connected here. We want just to scale it in the z-axis, so I give it 1500, right click, insert a keyframe. I go in the end, I increase the number, maybe like this, 8000. Right click, insert a keyframe. Now we want to animate this random value. I go here in add, in input, in scene, we select scene time. I connect the seconds to max value. Now if I play, we have this animation. Okay, now we want to join the sphere to this circles. So I go here in add, in geometry, we select join geometry. I make it here, and now the first group input I connected here. Now we have the sphere and the circles. I increase the number here just a little. To give some space for the sphere. Now we want to give the sphere and the circles, we want to give it some materials. So I go here in materials properties, hit new, and name this the first one. We give it sphere. Hit plus, hit new, and name it circles. Now we want to attribute these materials to the sphere and the circles. Shift A, search for set material, like this. We make some space here. I connect the first for the sphere. I give it here sphere. I duplicate and I connect another one here. This is for circles. Now I go here in add, in mesh, I select plane, S to scale it, G, Z down, just like this. Now we are finished with geometry nodes. First, I close this window, right click, go here in join areas and select this one. Now I go here and I select shader editor, hit 0, hit N, view, camera to view. Now we select an angle. No, it's okay. Now I select the plane first. I go here to see the colors. First I select the plane, hit new. As always, give it any color you want. I make it just like this, just yellow. I make it metallic. I decrease the number maybe to 0.2. Okay, now I select this, the circles, I make it metallic, decrease the roughness to 0.1. Shift A, search for object info. Shift A, search for hue saturation value. Connect the hue to base color and random connected to the hue. Now, if I change the color just a little, we see we have random colors here. You can choose if you want a dark colors. As you can see, if we change the color, we change the random colors. The sphere, I select sphere, make it metallic and give it any color you want. Okay, now go here in world properties, in color, in environment texture, open the HDRI in your computer. I select this one. Now I go here in render properties, I switch to cycles, activate GPU if you have one, decrease the number here maybe 32 as always. Here I give it 100. Active denoising here. In the light paths, left click and give it 1 for all. Disable this and this, enable this, and go here in color management and select very high contrast or high contrast. Now, if we switch here to viewport shading, I select the circles, maybe roughness, I give it 0.2. The sphere, maybe I change it to I leave it just like this. And I decrease the roughness to 0. Okay, as you can see, it's easy to do. Now if I go here in render image, so I let the image to finish. Now, if you want the animation, as always, go here in output properties, select your resolution and select the folder where you want to be your animation in your computer. Here in PNG, we select FFmpeg video. In encoding, we select MPEG 4. And here in output quality, we select high quality and go here in render and render your animation. Now we have our image. So this tutorial is finished, but before, don't forget, please, to like and comment and subscribe in my channel. I hope that you enjoy to make it with me. I tell you goodbye and see you in the next one.